Yeah? This one's for Mimi. You guys...
That book's for me.
You gonna open it?
I got to open it. Whoa. This is a cool.
What is that?
That's Mickey Halloween.
Oh, let me see. Hold it, turn it around. Close. There you go. Oh, cool.
I watched this.
You want to watch it?
I
Okay.
do watch this.
Okay, we'll watch it tonight.
We watch on TV.
We'll have to watch it on the computer.
On the computer.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at this. I'm tired of these.
Okay, I'll open it.
You open it, I saw them.
Okay, see what else is in the box.
Whoa, look at this.
What is that?
It's a monkey.
Here, stand over there and hold it up for me. Oh, cool.
It's a monkey Halloween.
Yeah, that's cool.
That is
Oh,
cool.
okay.
Look at this.
Oh, cool shirt, Cullen.
Look at this. Cool.
What book is this?
Um,
The Spooky Square Pumpkin? Oh, cool.
look at these.
Oh, that's cool. What are these?
Those are yellow bees.
Yellow greens. Forever yellow
Look
greens.
at this.
Oh, cool. Hey, now I want that one. What'd you just put in there?
It just put this in it.
Oh, can I have it?
They
Thanks.
can't. Look at here.
Oh, what is that? Candy corn? Oh, you like candy corn.
I do like it.
All right, can you say thank you, Mimi?
Thank you, Mimi.
Say love you.
I love you.
Miss you.
I miss you.